Hello guys, now in this lesson we will be learning how to do keyboard shortcut customization. Guys, with the help of keyboard customization we can make our video editing process very fast. So in order to become a best video editor you will have to remember the keyboard shortcuts and use them into your videos. As you can see here guys, I have opened my Filmora software. So guys, in order to do keyboard shortcut customization, you have to simply click on this file and here you see here are the keyboard shortcuts. Click on it and here you see a use panel will be displayed. So in the left side you see here it is file, edit, tools. So many things are there. If you click on this Wondershare Filmora, then all the shortcuts will be displayed in front of you. So from here you can scroll down and you can see here. So firstly here you see guys, if you want to see the shortcuts as file, then you can click on it and here you see the shortcut to create a new project is Ctrl N, and if you want to open a project then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl O. To save a project you can use a Ctrl S, and like this many shortcuts are there. So if you want to import your media files then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl I. So if you want to change also then you can click on it. So whatever the shortcut you want to keep you can keep it. For example, you can keep it as Ctrl U Shift. So whatever you want to add a shortcut you can add it. Now I will click on the reset. Now guys, in order to record your voice you can use a keyboard shortcut as Alt R. So now I will show you the keyboard shortcut in a practical. So I will click on the OK. So now guys, I want to record my voice. So I can use a keyboard shortcut as Alt R. Now here you see guys, from here we can record our voice. So in order to record you can simply click on it and after 3 seconds you can record it. For example, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So I will click on the OK. Now our voice is recorded. So here is, for example, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So guys, like this you can record your voice also. So guys, if you want to import your media files then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl I, then the file location will be showed to you. So if you want to select it you can select and click on the open button and your files will be added. Now let's go back to the keyboard shortcuts. Now like this you can save the project, you can open the project, you can create a new project. So like this many things are there. So if you want to know the editing shortcuts then you can click on the edit. Guys, in video editing the most important shortcuts are this Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. Guys, let's say you have done a mistake and if you want to undo the things then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl Z. So guys, this panel is all about if you want to create a file or anything you want to know the shortcuts then you can go to the file and you can search it. So if you want to know the editing shortcuts then here are the editing shortcuts and here are the tools shortcuts and here it is the view shortcut. So guys, so far we have discussed about these all things. Now here you see guys, here it is switched to other shortcut preset. So if you click on this Wondershare Filmora, here 3 options are there. The by default it will be as Wondershare Filmora. Guys, if you want to use the keyboard shortcut of Adobe Premiere Pro, then you can simply click on it and your shortcuts will be added here. So whatever in the Adobe Premiere Pro, the shortcuts are there, that shortcuts will be added in the Filmora. So here it is Apple Final Cut Pro also. So you can use these shortcuts also. So guys, in all the editing softwares, all the things are same only. For example, I want to paste something, then I want to search it as paste. So I want to know the paste shortcut. So if I search it as paste, then here you see there are 2 options are showing. So the first is paste. So the keyboard shortcut to paste is Ctrl V, and to paste the effects we have a shortcut as Ctrl Alt V. So if you want to see the copy shortcut then you can search it as copy, and here you see here it is a copy shortcut. So whatever you want to search you can search it. For example, if you want to import some videos then you can here search it as import, and here you see import media files, and here it is a shortcut. So the shortcut is Ctrl I. So guys, like this you can search anything. So guys, this is the way how you can use the shortcut keys. So guys, if you want to change the shortcut key then here you see here it is Alt F4 to exit this software. So now I want to change this shortcut, means I can simply click here and I want to give a shortcut as Control Q. Now here you see guys, our keyboard shortcut is added here. So if I click on the OK button, then our shortcut will be added. For example, I will click on the OK button. Now here you see guys, we have successfully changed the shortcut. Now guys, I have showed you how you can use the keyboard shortcuts to make your video editing much faster. So if you want to import your media files, then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl I. Then here you see the destination is asking, then from here you can select it. So now I will add it here. So now I want to split this, then I can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl B. Then our video is separated into two parts. Now guys, if I want to record my voice, then how can I record it? With a keyboard shortcut called Alt R. Now our recording panel is appeared, and after that you can click on this record and your audio will be recorded. So this way you can record your voice also. Guys, if you want to see the keyboard shortcuts, then also you can click on the video and right click on it, and here you see many shortcuts are there. Here you see to edit the properties we have Alt T, and to cut here it is Ctrl X. If you right click on the video, then the keyboard shortcut will also be appeared in front of you. So here you see, if you want to detach your audio, then you can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl Alt D. So many things are there. So I want to detach this audio, means I can simply right click here and I can simply click on this detach audio and our audio will be separated. So or if I don't want to go to the manually, then I can select this and I can use a keyboard shortcut as Ctrl Alt D, and after that our audio will be separated. So guys, this is the way how you can do keyboard customization, and got to know about how you can create your projects, how you can import your files, so how you can do color correction, how you can detach your audio, how you can use blur effect, how you can crop your video, and also how you can pan and zoom, and many things you have learned throughout the course guys. Hope you have really enjoyed this course and learned new techniques in Filmora software. And don't worry guys, after ending this course, I will be continuously updating the course, and that is for free of cost guys. You can watch it. So guys, that's it for this lesson, and I will meet you next time.